In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the footer section in Google Sites. Whether you're refining your site's design or just starting out with customization, this quick and easy guide will help you streamline your web page by removing an unnecessary footer. First, let's talk about why you might want to delete the footer section. Footers are a common place for important information like contact details, links to other parts of your website, or even copyright notices. However, there are times when you might prefer a more minimal look, want to declutter your page, or simply have no need for that section on certain pages. Google Sites offers a straightforward way to achieve this, and today I'll walk you through it step by step. To start, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your workspace set up. Navigate to the Google Sites homepage and select the project you'd like to edit. Once your site is open, you'll find yourself in the editing view where you can make all the necessary changes to your website. Begin by scrolling to the bottom of the page where the footer is located. As you hover over this area, you'll notice that it becomes highlighted, which indicates that it is selectable. You'll want to click directly on the footer section. This action is the first essential step because it cues the website editor that you want to make changes specifically to that part of the page. Now that you've clicked on the footer, look for a small toolbar or options menu. This menu often appears directly beside the section you've selected or at the top of your page and contains various editing tools. Among these tools, you'll see a delete icon, usually represented by a trash can. Click this icon. A quick tip, if you don't immediately see the delete icon, sometimes it helps to ensure you've clicked exactly on the footer. This step is crucial for making the toolbar appear. Once you've clicked the delete icon, the footer section will disappear from your page, giving your site a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. Remember, if you accidentally remove the wrong section or change your mind, you can always use the undo button in the toolbar to bring the footer back or make any other adjustments. By following these steps, you'll have successfully deleted the footer section from your Google site, enhancing its look according to your personal preference or design requirements. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be proficient in customizing all facets of your Google site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to reach out. Happy editing!